Understanding Bitcoin, a beginner's guide. When you dig into the details of Bitcoin, it's almost an unbelievable tale about how to create money. Although it seems like fiction, it's actually the best-known version of digital currency in use today. To help you wrap your head around what it is, what it does, and how to earn Bitcoins, I pulled together this complete beginner's guide to Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin really? Bitcoin is a digital currency, so there are no coins to mint or bills to print. There is not a government, financial institution, or any other authority that controls it, so it's decentralized. The owners who have Bitcoins in the system are anonymous. There are no account numbers, names, social security numbers, or any other identifying features that connect Bitcoins to its owners. Bitcoin uses blockchain technology and encryption keys to connect buyers and sellers. And, just like diamonds or gold, a Bitcoin gets mined. A bit of Bitcoin history. Bitcoin was the first established cryptocurrency, a digital asset that is secured with cryptography and can be exchanged like currency. Other versions of cryptocurrency have been launched but never fully developed when Bitcoin became available to the public in 2009. In 2010, someone decided to sell their Bitcoins for the first time to purchase 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoins. How do you mine Bitcoins? People, or more accurately, extremely powerful, energy-intense computers mine Bitcoins to make more of them. There are currently about 16 million Bitcoins in existence, and that leaves only 5 more million available to mine because Bitcoin's developers capped the quantity to 21 million. Ultimately, each Bitcoin can be divided into smaller parts, with the smallest fraction being 100 millionth of a Bitcoin, called a Satoshi, after the founder Nakamoto. The mining process involves computers solving an extremely challenging mathematical problem that progressively gets harder over time. Every time a problem is solved, 1 block of the Bitcoin is processed and the miner gets a new Bitcoin. How are Bitcoins used? In addition to mining Bitcoins, there are other ways to earn Bitcoins. First, you can accept Bitcoins as a means of payment for goods or services. Setting up your Bitcoin wallet is as simple as setting up a PayPal account, and it's the way you store, keep track of, and spend your digital money. They are free and available through a provider such as Coinbase. While this might take more time than it's worth, there are websites that will pay you in Bitcoins for completing certain tasks. Once you've earned Bitcoins, there are ways to lend them out and earn interest. There are even ways to earn Bitcoins through trading, and recently Bitcoin futures were launched as a legitimate asset class. In addition, you can trade your regular currency for Bitcoins at Bitcoin exchanges, the largest one being Japan-based NTGox that handles 70% of all Bitcoin transactions. What are the risks? There's risk as well as a great opportunity with Bitcoin. While it has been appealing to criminals due to its anonymity and lack of regulation, there are lots of benefits to all of us if you're willing to accept some risk to jump into the Bitcoin marketplace. Since there is no governing body, it can be difficult to resolve issues if Bitcoins get stolen or lost. In 2014, Mt. Gox went offline, and 850,000 Bitcoins were never recovered. Once a transaction hits the blockchain, it's final. Since Bitcoin is relatively new, there are still a lot of unknowns, and its value is very volatile and can change significantly daily. Is this video helpful for you? Let us know in the comment box. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.